Welcome to the demo video of the eGov mobile app for citizens. In this video, we'll walk you through the app's features and functionalities. Visit the official eGov mobile app to gain access to citizen services and functions. You will be taken to the login page. To log in as a citizen, choose the Login with ePraman option. The ePraman sign-in page will be displayed, where you can enter your credentials to access your account. Enter your user ID and password in the appropriate fields provided, tick the I consent to Meri Pehchan checkbox, and then click on the Sign In option. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the dashboard, which provides access to various e-governance services. Select the Property Tax Management module from the list of available options to access property-related services and actions. Proceed by clicking on the Property Dashboard option. Here, the user can check the pending applications, My Properties, and properties under care. Click on Tax Calculator to begin calculating your tax. Enter the required details here to calculate your holding tax. To apply for a new assessment, select the Apply New Holding option. After selecting your ULB, you can initiate the new assessment process. To apply for mutation, choose the Apply Mutation option. Once you've entered your holding number, you can start the mutation process. Click on Apply Bifurcation to initiate the process for applying bifurcation. Once you've entered your holding number, you can start the bifurcation process. Select Payment History to view a detailed record of your property's past payments. Click on View Receipt to access and view your receipt, then the user can print the receipt. Select the Water Users Management module to access water users-related services and actions. Proceed by clicking on the Water Dashboard. In this section, you can view and check the status of pending applications. Request pending application. Connection list. Link connection. Click on Apply New Connection to start your application for a new water connection. After selecting your ULB, you can initiate the new water connection process. Select Payment History to view a detailed record of your past payments. Click on View Receipt to access and view your receipt, then the user can print the receipt. Select the Municipal Trade License module to access trade license-related services and actions. Click on the Trade License dashboard. In this section, you can view and check the status of pending applications. Approved licenses. Attached licenses. To apply for a new license, click on the Apply New License option. After selecting your ULB, you can initiate the process of applying for a new trade license. Choose the Advertisement Management module to access services and actions related to advertisements. The citizen can view the advertisement dashboard with all related options such as self-advertisement, movable vehicle, private land, register agency. If citizen initiates self-advertisement, application fill out advertisement form, select advertisement details, save and proceed, upload document, review and submit. Citizens can begin the movable vehicle advertisement application process by selecting the movable vehicle option. Select private land option to begin applying for private land advertisement permits. To register an agency, proceed by clicking on the Register Agency option. Select the Municipal Rental module to access rental-related services and actions. On the Market dashboard, citizens can find registration options for marriage halls, hostels, lodges, dharmashala, Register your marriage hall by selecting the marriage hall registration option to begin the application process. Select your ULB and applicable rule to begin the marriage hall registration application process. Begin the hostel registration process by selecting the corresponding option. Choose your ULB and rule to start your hostel registration application. To apply for lodge registration, click on the lodge registration option. Begin your lodge registration by selecting your ULB and applicable rule to start your application. Apply for Dharmashala registration by clicking on the Dharmashala registration button to get started. Select your ULB and applicable rule to begin the Dharmashala registration application process. Access water tanker services and actions by choosing the water tanker booking module. The citizen can view the water tanker dashboard with option of Book Now. To book a water tanker, proceed by clicking on the Book Now option. Select the septic tanker cleaning module to access services and manage actions related to septic tanker cleaning. The citizen can view the septic tanker dashboard with option of Book Now. To book a septic tanker, proceed by clicking on the Book Now option. Select the Fines and Penalties module to access related services and actions. Search for your challan by clicking on the Search Challan button. Here, the user can search for the challan using the filter. Find out who your enforcement officer is by selecting the corresponding option. Once you've chosen your ULB, the enforcement officer's details will be displayed. Click the Violation List option to view the list of violations. After selecting the ULB, the list of violations will be displayed with the violation name, violation section, department, and penalty amount. Select the Pet Registration module to access pet registration-related services and actions. The citizen can view the pet registration dashboard with the New Registration option. Proceed by clicking on the Pet Registration Dashboard option. Here, the user can view and check the pending applications, approved applications, and rejected list. Select the New Registration option to apply for pet registration. Select the Marriage Registration module to access marriage registration-related services and actions. Begin the marriage registration process by clicking the Apply Marriage Registration button. Track the status of your marriage registration by clicking the Track Application option. Select the Rig Registration module to access rig registration-related services and actions. The citizen can view the vehicle registration dashboard with the related option of New Registration. On the vehicle registration dashboard, the user can view and check new applications, approved applications, and rejected applications. Proceed with a new registration by selecting the New Registration option and completing the required information. Select the Solid Waste User Charges module to access solid waste-related services and actions. Select the Residential Consumer option and enter the required information to search for residential consumers' details. Select Search Commercial Consumer and enter the required information to retrieve the commercial consumer's details. Choose the Search Apartment option and input the necessary information to search for the apartment's details. Know about your tax collector by clicking on the corresponding option. If the user wishes to log out, navigate to the user profile and select the Log Out option. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Please do like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos.